Hello everyone, welcome to the series on Fools in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Launcelot Gobbo from his play The Merchant of Venice. Introduction. Launcelot Gobbo, a servant in William Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, serves as a source of comic relief in a play that is otherwise laden with serious themes such as prejudice, justice, and mercy. Through his clever wordplay, mistaken identities, and humorous interactions, Launcelot lightens the mood and provides a counterbalance to the play's darker moments. This video delves into the various facets of Launcelot Gobbo's character, exploring his role in the narrative, his use of language, and his interactions with other characters, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Launcelot Gobbo's role in the narrative. Launcelot Gobbo is introduced in Act 2, Scene 2, where he is contemplating whether to leave the service of Shylock, his master. His internal debate is presented humorously as he argues with himself in a mock-serious manner, reminiscent of a medieval morality play. This soliloquy immediately established Launcelot as a clownish figure, using humor to navigate his difficult decision. Certainly, my conscience will serve me to run from this Jew, my master. The fiend is at my elbow and tempts me, saying to me, Gobbo, Launcelot Gobbo, good Launcelot, or good Gobbo, or good Launcelot Gobbo. Use your legs, take the start, run away. His decision to leave Shylock and enter the service of Bassanio adds to the development of the subplot involving Shylock's household and provides a bridge to the main plot's focus on Bassanio and Portia. Use of language. Launcelot's language is characterized by puns, malapropisms, and playful banter, which not only add humor but also reveal his intelligence and wit. His conversations are filled with double meanings and clever wordplay, as seen in his dialogue with his blind father, old Gobbo, whom he deceives for comic effect before revealing his true identity. Launcelot, do I look like cudgel or a hovel post, a staff or a prop? Do you know me, father? Old Gobbo, alack the day, I know you not, young gentleman. But I pray you, tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? The mistaken identity trope here not only provides laughter but also emphasizes themes of perception and reality that run throughout the play. Interactions with other characters. Launcelot's interactions with other characters often highlight his role as a comic foil. His relationship with Shylock is one of servitude laced with resentment and fear, providing a stark contrast to his more relaxed and jovial demeanor when he switches to Bassanio's service. This change signifies a shift from the oppressive atmosphere of Shylock's household to the more liberal and generous environment of Bassanio's home. Moreover, Launcelot's interaction with Jessica, Shylock's daughter, is pivotal. He teases and jests with her, yet also expresses concern for her well-being, subtly hinting at her plans to elope with Lorenzo. His light-hearted conversation with her underscores her own feelings of entrapment and desire for freedom. Launcelot, mistress, look out at window. For all this, there will come a Christian by, will be worth a Jewess's eye. This dialogue foreshadows Jessica's escape and adds a layer of irony, as Launcelot unwittingly aids in the undermining of Shylock's authority. Comic relief and thematic balance. Launcelot's primary function in The Merchant of Venice is to provide comic relief, but his role goes beyond mere humor. His presence balances the more serious themes of the play, such as the conflict between mercy and justice, the dangers of prejudice, and the complexities of human relationships. His humor often carries a deeper meaning, reflecting the play's underlying tensions and highlighting the contrasts between different characters and situations. For example, his jesting about the fiend and conscience in his soliloquy mirrors the moral dilemmas faced by other characters, albeit in a more humorous and exaggerated form. His playful deceit of his father, old Gobbo, while funny, also touches on themes of identity and recognition, which are central to the play's larger narrative. Conclusion: Launcelot Gobbo's character in The Merchant of Venice is multifaceted one, serving as a crucial element in balancing the play's darker themes with humor. Through his clever use of language, humorous interactions, and comic presence, Launcelot provides much needed relief while also contributing to the play's exploration of deeper themes. His role underscores the importance of humor in drama, not just as entertainment, but as a means of offering new perspectives and highlighting the complexities of human nature. So this was the discussion on the character of Launcelot Gobbo in Shakespeare's play The Merchant of Venice. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.